Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the set-top box model and the installed firmware. That tells you which update to apply. Power must be stable, so plug into a surge protector and keep the box on. Next, connect to the internet. Ethernet is preferred for reliability, but Wi-Fi works if signal is strong. If the update requires a USB file, format a drive FAT32 and download the exact firmware to it. Once done, navigate to Settings to start the update process. You now initiate the update from Settings, selecting System Update or Software Update. This is where the SDB checks the server or USB. If you chose online, press Check for Update and wait as the download begins. Watch the progress percentage. If using USB, select Local Update and point to the firmware file. During flashing, do not interrupt power or unplug cables because writing firmware is sensitive. Once the progress reaches completion, the box will usually reboot automatically. Make sure to let it restart fully. After the box reboots, you verify success by checking the firmware version in Settings About. That confirms the update applied. If channels, EP, or network behave oddly, restart the SDB and router, then resync settings. You can also clear cache or rescan channels where applicable. If the update fails or the box won't boot, try the USB recovery method once more. If problems continue, collect the SDB model, error codes, and logs, and contact your provider for assisted recovery.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.